Sir, Attorney Delgra, kamusta ko na-mention nyo na si Attorney Kaufman eh. Siyempre, panahon to na tinitingnan kung kamusta yung ginagawa niyang trabaho para po sa dating Pangulo. Kayo po, yung mga lawyers na from the Philippines na sumusuporta sa kanila, ano po ba yung assessment nyo sa nagiging trabaho po ni Attorney Kaufman after a year na siya yung nagre-represent?
Actually, when we were there, no, and the six of us lawyers, no, who went to The Hague last February, during the entire week of the confirmation of charges hearing, isa lang yung assessment namin. Maganda yung yung preparasyon and the way Attorney Kaufman handled the defense. But that is not to say, and I'm referring to the arguments both, and in fairness, the arguments both raised by the prosecution and the counter-argument raised by the defense. And I'm saying this that maganda, no, yung pagka-presenta ni Attorney Kaufman, and we were in fact with guarded optimism na the charges would be denied, not confirmed. Pero alam namin that politics plays a huge role in this case. Kaya hindi namin dinidiskwento na malaki yung papel ng the political ramification in this case.